Delicious and convenient, this pound cake from Cake Mix No Pudding is moist and tender. It is an ideal dessert for your family and friends. Also, it is quick and easy to make. Every slice of this pound cake from a Cake Mix No Pudding is creamy, buttery, and packed with simple flavors. Trust me that every bite of it is rich and moist. You can even taste a hint of vanilla, butter, and eggs. It is indeed simple yet delectable. In addition to that, pound cakes are supposed to be dense with a firm crumb structure. Likewise, you can also test it by picking up a slice and putting it on a plate. It is usually well done if you can break off the pieces with your fingers with ease. Also, it should be incredibly moist and buttery, that have a bit of velvety feel. What you will need. Ingredients: 1 cup of butter, 4 pieces of large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, a box of vanilla cake mix, ½ cup of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon of kosher salt, 2/3 cup of low-fat milk, 1 cup of sour cream. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Before all else, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, line and grease the cake pan. Step 2. Next, place in a bowl the butter and sugar, then cream using a hand or stand mixer fitted with a wire whisk attachment on medium-high speed for a minute until it is fluffy. Step 3. At low speed, gradually add the eggs one at a time, then drop in the vanilla and lemon extract using a rubber spatula. Step 4. Then, whisk together the milk and sour cream in a mixing bowl. In another bowl, whisk in the flour, salt, and cake mix. Step 5. Alternately beat in the dry and wet mixture into the batter until well incorporated. Step 6. Next, put the batter into the prepared cake dish and bake for 55 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Afterward, take the pan out of the oven, cool in the pan for 10 minutes. After that, invert the pan to a wire rack. Tips and tricks. Generally, cake mixes are available at your local supermarkets and convenience stores. So, it is best to avoid using a cake mix that has added pudding mix. The Cake Mix's pudding mix makes the cake too moist, so it hardly rises in the middle. Also, sour cream is the essential ingredient that gives out the texture and moisture of the cake. So, ensure to follow the step-by-step instructions at the back of the cake mix box. Moreover, I highly suggest that you should know how your oven operates. Since following the temperature on this recipe, or what is indicated on the cake mix box, would usually vary. Additionally, store the pound cake in an airproof container. Doing this will allow it to last for 3 days. Likewise, you can wrap it with cling wrap and aluminum foil. Afterward, freeze for approximately 6 months. After that, make sure to thaw the pound cake before unwrapping it on the counter. Moreover, make sure to flip the pound cake into the cake pan if you stored it overnight before slicing it. In addition to that, take it away from the cake pan. Doing this ensures that it does not stick. However, be cautious when flipping the pound cake back in. After that, cover it correctly. When using the one-bowl method, you want to ensure all the ingredients are at room temperature. In addition to that, keep in mind that you should follow the mixing instructions as indicated. Doing this kind of method starts by mixing all the dry ingredients, afterward, the room temp butter. Then, the wet ingredients are beaten into the cake batter. For this reason, this method lessens the flour's gluten formation. Hence, it results in a tender and delicate crumb but, most importantly, a densely textured cake. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.